Change an iPod shuffle battery. You know you have to change your iPod shuffle's battery if its power drains quickly. An iPod shuffle battery that no longer charges is also an indication that it needs to be replaced. The steps detailed here cover changing an iPod shuffle 3rd generation battery. Take apart the covering. The iPod Shuffle 3rd generation's main body consists of plastic and metal coverings. You will need to separate the front plastic covering from the back metal covering. Use a flat-tipped plastic tool for this purpose. First, hold the side of the iPod with your thumb and index fingers and gently squeeze the metal covering upwards. You should see a slight gap opening in between the plastic and metal coverings. Now, insert the tip of the plastic tool in between this gap. Lay the iPod on the work table and carefully work the tool across all sides. Once done, carefully take out the back metal covering of the iPod. Now, inside the iPod is a ribbon on the top left corner. This ribbon connects the coverings. When you finally open the iPod, make sure that you do not tear the ribbon underneath. So all you have to do is to lay the opened iPod with top facing down and the bottom covering still attached. Take out the iPod Shuffle's hard drive. Now, carefully lift the hard drive to take it out. To do this, hold the top part of the hard drive and pull it out towards you in a 90-degree angle. When you do so, you will see that a brass-colored logic board is attached. Pull the logic board out, making sure it is still attached to the hard drive when you do so. Once done, take out the hard drive logic board combination and set aside. Take out the battery of the iPod Shuffle. First, gently pull out the connector found at the bottom right corner of the device. When this is done, you can now easily take out the battery. Install the new iPod Shuffle battery. Take out the new iPod Shuffle battery from its box. Next, put in the connector into the bottom right corner of the device. Make sure that the red-colored cable is facing the front of the device. Once done, install the battery in its respective slot. Tuck the wire in afterwards. Now, all you need to do is to put everything back together. Start with the hard drive, making sure the logic board is carefully laid flat underneath. Replace the coverings by squeezing them carefully together. Power the device on to make sure everything is working. Once certain, turn off the iPod Shuffle and charge the battery for 3 hours.